The DigiFabster team would like to announce our new payment feature, DigiFabster Pay, a hassle-free payment solution for manufacturers. If you're a shop who's tired of juggling multiple payment methods and chasing down overdue invoices, DigiFabster Pay was created for you. With DigiFabster Pay, you can offer your customers a variety of payment options, including credit card payments as well as ACH, by directly and easily linking your bank account. And with automated billing and new purchase order processes, you can get paid on time so your team can focus on what you do best, manufacturing high-quality parts. Don't waste any more time on tedious payment tasks. Try DigiFabster Pay today and streamline your payment processes. If you have any more questions about DigiFabster, head over to digifabster.com to request more information.